Jump up, get ready, it's time to go. Today's a perfect day to search and learn and grow. There's truth to uncover, a world to discover. So climb on board, come on, let's hit the open road. Whoa, oh, there's more to explore. Whoa, oh, more to explore.
Grandpa, how long will you be gone?
I'm not sure. Depends when we find what we're looking for.
What are you looking for?
I can't tell you. Not yet, anyway. You haven't seen my glasses, have you? Oh. Well, that's better.
I could help if I went with you. It could be like a learning experience.
Next time. This time I need you to stay here and take care of things.
What things?
Well, for one, Ralphie.
Can't we get a bird sitter?
Seriously?
No. You will be very helpful to me here.
Okay.
I need you to take care of any phone calls that come in.
Wait, what calls? How am I supposed to know what to do?
Cuckoo will let you know when a call's coming in.
How does Cuckoo know?
Well, that's like asking how we breathe. I don't have time to explain that right now. Everything practically takes care of itself. Except for Ralphie. Don't forget to feed him.
I won't. Don't worry.
I'm not worried. It all works like clockwork.
And what about Ruby?
Well, if there's anywhere you want to go, just let Ruby know.
Cool.
I will be in touch just as soon as I'm somewhere.
Bye, Grandpa.
Bye, sweetie.
Don't leave me here with her. She'll forget to feed me.
No, she won't. The two of you will become friends, you'll see.
I don't see that happening.
I'll be home soon. Take care of things for me.
So, what do we do now? He left me in charge, but of what? I know. Feed you twice a day, but like, what else? What's happening?
Hello?
Hello?
I hope you're ready. I need your help.
Does your television talk to you? Oh, hi. I remember you. You're Grandpa's assistant.
Yes! It's Margaret. I remember when you were just an itty-bitty bug, running all over the place.
It's been a few years.
Oh, yes. Well, anyways, what Charles said, you would be filling in for him while he's gone on his expedition.
That's right. But I don't know exactly what that means. Besides feeding the bird.
Oh, he should have told you.
Told me what?
Well, that's for another day. But right now, I have an ornithologist that could really use your help.
I don't know what an ornithologist is. Do you? I'd be happy to help with your ornithologist, but could you tell me what that means?
Don't worry. I'm sure you will figure it out.
Okay.
I'm coming too,
Why?
because Grandpa left me in charge.
No, he didn't. He left me in charge.
I am,
I'm not arguing with a bird,
'cause I'll win.
because we're supposed to be helping the ornithologist.
You don't know what that is.
Neither do you. Fine. Are you ready to go exploring with me?
And me.
do you think we should go? Ruby! That's what Grandpa Charlie calls his car. And it sounds like Ruby knows the way.
I hear we have an ornithologist to help.
News travels fast.
It sure does. Buckle up. We have reached your destination. I hope your adventure is successful.
Thanks, Ruby. Hello. What are you looking for?
I was looking for a bird.
We'll help you. Won't we, Ralphie? I see lots of birds.
There are over 10,000 different kinds of birds. And just like we don't look the same, birds look different too.
You sure do know a lot about birds.
Well, that's my job. I'm an ornithologist.
You're an ornithologist?
Yes. My job is studying birds.
Good job. We learned what ornithologist means.
I already knew what it meant.
Why didn't you tell me?
You didn't ask me.
I'm Mia. I'm here to help. And this is Ralphie.
Thanks for coming. Charlie helps us out a lot. He's a twitcher.
A what?
A twitcher. He watches birds as a hobby.
Is that why you called us? To help you watch for birds?
We can use all the eyes we can get. We've heard reports that there's a killdeer nest, and we want to help protect it.
We'll help you. Won't we, Ralphie?
Why don't you carry this?
Okay.
You might want to look down.
Are they not in the trees?
Well, most birds build their nest up high. They will dig a shallow hole in the ground, or they'll dig in the rocks.
Oh, well, that's different.
Yeah, their nests are out in the open. You might find them in a field, or by the side of the road, or even in a parking lot.
Are they in danger? Is that why you're trying to find them?
Well, their parents actually have a way of protecting the egg. We just like to help them when we can.
If there's so many different kinds of birds, how do we find this one?
The killdeer is actually also known as the ringed plover. They have 2 stripes or rings around their neck.
Oh, that's helpful.
Not only do birds look different, they also sound different. That's how some ornithologists identify birds. They listen to their song.
I can hear all different kinds of birds, but I don't think I could tell one from another.
It's easy. Like the owl. What do they say?
You know what an owl says. They hoot. Woo, woo.
And there's the gull. This sounds like it's laughing. The crow that makes a caw sound. Songbirds. They chirp their song.
Next time you're outside, be really still and listen. Can you hear them? There's a whole symphony going on.
And there's the killdeer that makes the noise like a killdeer.
What do you think that they're saying?
Well, they might be telling the other birds where they are, or they might be telling them where they found some food.
Look!
Great job, Eagle Eyes.
It doesn't even look like a nest.
Most birds use twigs and leaves to build their nests, but not the killdeer.
I see why you wanted to help protect it. It's just out in the open.
Do you remember when I told you that the parents protect the eggs? Well, if a fox or a raccoon or any other animal gets close to the nest, one of the parents will try and draw the animal away from the nest by pretending that they're injured.
Really?
They pretend that their wing is broken, and they hobble away from the nest, trying to get them to follow them. After they get far enough away from the nest, the killdeer flies away to safety.
It looks like they're still waiting for the little ones to hatch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Usually takes about 4 weeks for the eggs to hatch.
How can we help?
The first thing to remember is never move the nest. They choose where they want the eggs.
Okay.
The best way to help is by drawing attention to the nest. We'll put these sticks around the nest so that no one accidentally walks or drives over it. Thanks for helping me today.
You're welcome.
Who knows? Maybe you'll become a birder or a twitcher, just like your Grandpa Charlie.
It just might. Bye.
Bye-bye.
If you want to watch the birds in your yard, you can put out a bird feeder to get them to come to you. There are many different types of bird houses and bird feeders. I will show you a really simple one that you can make at home with the help of an adult. This is what you'll need: 6 to 8 inches of string, a pine cone, peanut butter, and bird seed. And you're just gonna spread that on there. And the goal of the peanut butter is so that way the bird seed will stick. And then you're gonna take your bird seed and you're just gonna drizzle that on there. And it should stick, just like that. Good job. Look at you, you're going in. You've got it all coated. Good job, guys. Do you wanna go ahead and try and stick bird seed on yours? You probably have enough. And then just take the bird seed and put it over there. Look at that! There we go. This is an easy way to make a treat for the birds in your yard, and you can watch them as they snack. Then you find a place outside your window, like a tree or a bush, hang it up, and wait. You guys wanna hang yours? Go! Good job. You gonna hang yours, Abby? Earlier. There you go. Got it, buddy? Today we learned what an ornithologist is. A person who studies birds. We also learned how God made all of the birds different. In the Bible, it talks about how God cares for even the smallest birds, how he watches after them. Just think, if God is thinking about the little tiny birds, how much more is he thinking about you? So, next time you see a bird fly by or sitting in a tree, just think about how God created them and how he cares for them, just like how he cares for you and for me. See you next time because we have lots more to explore. Bye, guys.